Hi there, YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about the land in the world. The actual land. What do we use it for? We use it for growing food. We use it for housing. We use it for offices. We use it for shops. We use it for growing textiles, like flax. And in some parts of the impoverished world, we still use it to grow fuel, like charcoal, for example. I am going to argue that in the next 50 years, the price of land all over the world will plummet for a number of reasons. Let's start with textile crops. We already have alternatives. We have nylon, we have rayon, we have synthetic rubber. Apart from personal comfort, there's no need to have linen and flax anymore. One big use for flax is to make banknotes, but we won't need those in the future, not when virtual currencies take over. And as for food, why will we need food farms in the future? I don't think so. We might need a few farm animals to get stem cells from, but as those wonderful scientists in Holland have shown us, we can grow a burger in a petri dish. Now, okay, at the moment it costs thousands, takes ages to make, and tastes like very salty chicken. So I'm told. But the price will come down. Eventually, lab-grown stem cell meat will compete effectively with traditional farms. All that farmland won't be needed anymore. And as for those who are still using charcoal, eventually they will modernise and use modern fuels. Not necessarily fossil fuels, maybe hydroelectric. Either way, we won't need the land anymore. Now, as for cities, as I said, offices, housing, shops. Obviously, we're not going to need many shops in the future. Internet shopping will take over that. We won't need many offices in the future. Video calls can take over that. Shops and offices are incredibly expensive. You not only have to rent them, you have to protect them, you have to maintain them, you have to travel to work. That's all waste. So cities of the future will basically be about housing and leisure. All those shops and offices are a waste of space now, thanks to the internet. So land in the future will be dirt cheap. Cities will be able to expand much further than they have before. Before, they've been restricted by the need to keep land open for food. That's barely an excuse in this country. I mean, we produce more than enough food. In fact, the world produces more than enough food. And don't even get me started on genetic modification. As if meat grown in a petri dish wasn't good enough, now we have genetically modified crops as well. The possibilities are endless, but we certainly don't need to be wasting time and energy on land disputes. So many wars over land are so pointless. History should show that tiny specks of countries like Singapore can punch well above their weight. All these conflicts over the Korean peninsula or over Palestine are an enormous waste of effort. People should not care what land they live on. That's from a bygone age. Right? If you love the particular patch of mud that you were born on, whether it's called Palestine, Britain, France, Spain, then you're a mug. Because there's only one patch of land you were born on, and that's the earth. And disputing over farmland is pretty pathetic in this day and age. What's more important is cities, gathering people together, sharing intellectual property. That's enough for now. Really missed YouTube over the past few months. I was very busy, sorry, but it's lovely to catch up with you. And I have been trying to respond to comments, but the whole commenting system is a little bit complicated owing to the Google Plus integration, but let's leave that for another day. See you later, YouTube. Bye-bye.